In life, to be a man, there are certain skills all men must master. They're just basics. To be a man, you gotta do them. But very few of these skills can actually make you a sexy, attractive, handsome beast like the 7 that I'm gonna show you today. Today, boys, Today, men, I'm gonna show you 7 attractive skills all men need to master. Number 1, every man, to be sexier, must master the art of kissing. All right, so what you want to do, it's actually quite simple. All you want to do is your thought. I'm not going to show you how to kiss, but I will give you a checklist on how to be a better kisser. Here are 3 things you want to do. 1, make sure your lips are smooth. I've showed you before. Exfoliate those lips. You want them to look red, juicy, and you want them to be soft. This is going to make you a better kisser instantly. 2, make sure your breath is fresh. If your breath stinks or has any funky type of scent or taste to it, it's gonna be disgusting. So floss, brush, the basics. Have some gum around. And finally, number 3, this is important. Do not slobber. For God's sakes, I'd rather you be a pecker than you slob all over her face, because that's gonna be an experience she's always gonna remember. The second skill every man must master: give a good massage. Always have a little oil around, because I promise you, if you start giving a girl a massage and you're good at it, it's a wrap, boys. You've already touched her in all the right places, and this girl's about to explode by how turned on she is with you. And you will also be extra turned on, so the sexual tension between you two, it's gonna be magnetic. This skill alone will make any dude more attractive, and that's a promise. I'll put my name on that. Now, here's a quick little tip. Giving a massage might be a little bit hard, but the way that I learned to give a solid massage is by getting one myself. So go and get a massage, and whatever feels the best, try to replicate it next time. I took what felt the best on me and did it as well, and it's never failed me. I promise you it'll be the best $70 you'll ever invest in. You know what? I just gave that. Damn, that was I'm giving you my handbook, boys. I'm giving you the best of the best. This is stuff you won't find anywhere. You won't find this anywhere else. Honestly, you should, subscribe to the channel. Help your boy out. Drop me a like, because who else is gonna give you this type of A1 content? Nobody. Ain't nobody. Number 3, men must learn how to manscape. This is like the skill or the art of shaving, but for 2020. Think about it. Shaving is a skill that all men had to master to be more attractive back in the day, and still to this day, but it's very basic at this point. Today, that's manscaping. If you want to be more attractive, you need to learn the skill of being able to control all the hair on your body, which means you're gonna also need the right tools to be able to tame that jungle. And that's what our company Manscaped will give to you guys. We are part owner of this company because we believe in these tools. I believe that these manscaping tools are all that you need to be more attractive, to learn this skill and become good at it. We give you top of the line manscaping tools because you know what? There is no other grooming company that makes grooming tools specifically for guys, specifically for the art of manscaping, other than Manscaped. And we are growing so much, we just became the official sponsor of the UFC. The UFC, do you understand how massive this is for us as a company? We are growing so fast. So many men are wanting Manscaped that it's getting out of control. And I just hope that you're not one of the men that's not doing this. I don't want you to stay behind. Men are hopping on this trend faster than ever, and I want you to be on that train. Boys, if you guys click the link down below, I'm going to give you our perfect package 3.0. This will give you all the tools that you need to learn this craft, to learn this skill, and be able to properly manscape every hair on your body. See, we're going to give you the Lawnmower 3.0. This is our best-selling electric trimmer for the single purpose of controlling your pubic hair. It has 3,000 RPM, so don't worry. It's gonna go through any terrain. It's also nick-proof. It has an LED light. It's waterproof and rechargeable. This thing is top of the line and our best seller. We're also gonna include a crop preserver and a crop wash. Both of these are great to be able to cleanse the area down there and keep it hydrated while also avoiding swamp balls or any excess moisture buildup. If you guys click the link down below, you guys can check it out and also get 20% off plus free shipping. And yes, boys, we ship to Canada, Australia, and the UK. So if you guys are in any of those locations or the US, You guys can check it out. Number 4, financial literacy. Guys, do not be poor. And no. Before you drop me a dislike, I'm not talking about being poor as in what's in your bank account. Poor in the knowledge of finances. And that's free. You see, financial literacy, it's completely free because these are just skills and knowledge that allow you to make smart decisions about your financial resources. So whether that's $5 or $500, you need to have that financial literacy to know what to do with that cash. Number 5, learning how to dress for every occasion. This is a skill all men need to master to be more attractive. This is when you go from mommy dress me to I dress myself and this is my own personality. And that's some big boy move. Because see, a grown man cares about their personal style and they also care about what their clothing and the message they're wearing says about them. This is when you start using clothing as a functional tool to send the message that you want. And with that, you start using clothing for the appropriate occasion. Number 6, driving like a man. And no. I don't mean races off the stoplight with the kid that has a V4 Camaro and a fart can on. Or even speeding down the highway, breaking every sort of speed limit rule. I mean driving like a grown man. That is an attractive skill. Wearing your seatbelt, following speed limits, and most importantly, keeping your cool on the road. You want to avoid road rage. Not only is it dangerous for you, but it's dangerous for everybody. Do you understand how sexy self-control is? Because that girl in her passenger seat is about to lose all types of self-control because she won't be able to control herself from you, from how sexy you are. And finally, number 7, a simple one, but a skill all men must master, ironing your clothes. This will also make you more attractive. I cannot tell you how many guys I see wearing wrinkled clothing. You look chewed up, and again, you look like you just don't care. Having a perfectly ironed, even t-shirt makes you look crispy, clean, well-dressed. That's why every dude needs an iron, and they need to learn how to iron. Ironing is simple, boys. I learned it on my own without any YouTube videos, so it's not rocket science. It's just you having the will to do it. Now, if you're short on time and think this is too much work, a little pro tip is buy a steamer. With the steamer, you can release most, if not 99% of wrinkles of any garment, so at least you look nice and pressed. And that's it for me in this week's video, guys. Those are 7 skills all men must master. If you guys like this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our company, Manscaped. If you guys want to check that out, it'll be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.